Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO F7 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to tap on About Phone. And then let's scroll and find Backup and Restore, and in this Google Backup section tap on Backup. Now let's tap on Next and tap on Add Account. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to choose it from the list. If not, just tap on Add Account and do it right now. Confirm everything with your screen lock and make sure that you've got the internet connection. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. Here in this step, we have to either create new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. Right here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, you can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And finally, we can decide what kind of data we would like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's totally up to you, you can mark both, but I will choose only this one. Let's tap on Confirm and tap on Manage Backup. So here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Under it, we've got backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some charges. And to finish everything, simply tap on Backup Now right here. And now your device will back up the data. Of course, confirm everything with your screen lock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.